going on YouTube? Dan, I'm back again with a video for you guys. As you guys can see, we got the Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes. These are set to release in December. I'm going to give you guys a detailed review on the on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet. Also, before we get into this video, all you guys, man, hit that thumbs up for your boy. Click that subscribe button and also click the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload videos like these. You know, every year Jordan brand in the holiday season, they come out with an 11. This time we got the Gratitudes. You all know this is a new colorway. They paying tribute to Michael Jordan. They showing the gratitude, a big thank you, you know, for him and all he's done. Paying tribute to the 06 Jordan 11 DMPs, which were released alongside the DMP 6s, Michael Jordan's 1991 and 1996 NBA championships. I'm gonna let you guys see how they look so you could decide if you want to pick them up or not in December. But before we get into this video, man, I want to talk to you guys about a sponsor. All right, DRACO. I'm gonna show you a couple of their pieces that they send me over. Really nice stuff, guys, of the DRACO slides. But when I tell you, man, they are one of the most comfortable slides. All right, I'm gonna show you guys a couple little pictures and stuff like that. But first off, we got the sweats. All right, these are the sweats right here. Real nice sweats, quality on point. You can see the bottom. Real nice, comfortable sweats. Got the drawstring. All right, I'm gonna show you guys a picture of me rocking them. They also send over the hoodie. Now this hoodie is off the chain. You guys want some? Here goes the hoodie. Real nice, quality on point. Got the drawstrings, and it does got the DRACO on the strings. I'm actually rocking them right now, man. I would have unboxed it and stuff like that, but yo, I was really excited to be wearing these. You got the DRACO slides. Take a look. Got DRACO right there. Now the material, look at that. Look when I rub it. Got a nice smooth suede material right there. You got your buckle to tighten them up. Very nice slides, man. I love them. DRACO got the socks. So if you guys want to go pick some stuff up, they got a sale going on right now. You could actually use my code. My code will be in the description below. Use my code and you guys will be straight. Show you guys the box. Take a look at that box, man. Got the gold Jumpman right there, black box. You got the circle hole. Take a look at the size tag. Air Jordan 11 Retro. The colorway is white, metallic gold black. Very nice box. It's a pull-up box. Got the gold Jumpman right there. Fire. Take a look at the outsole. You got the Jumpman right there with the black. Now the bottom is a milky. Very nice though. Got that milky with the black. You know what I'm saying? Coming up on the top, you can see. Now all this upper is in leather. Take a look. All this is in leather. Nice tumble leather. Look at that when I push it in. You got the web effect. Really nice. White on the midsole. Patent leather. Black patent leather, you can see. Now you do got the Jumpman and the gold right there. It's not in metal. Would have been nice if it was in metal, but it's still dope. Front of the toe, you can see patent leather in the front. Milky toe in the front. White laces, white rope laces. You got your Jumpman Jordan right there with the gold Jumpman. Leather on the tongue too, so you can wipe it and clean it. Keep it nice and clean, better than that mesh. Take a look at the medial, same as the lateral. You got your white on the midsole, black patent leather. Got the leather on the upper. I love the leather on the upper. 23 in gold. Jumpman, black patent leather. You guys can see. Crazy, man. These is fire. Now, as for sizing on these, I do recommend you go true to size. Go true to size, you'll be good to go. It says quality basketball product created in gratitude by the greatest player ever, which is MJ. Inside, you got the gold 23. Black inner sole, sock line in black. Let me know what you guys think in the comment sections below. Hit that thumbs up for your boy. Follow me on Instagram. Love you all, man. We're about to get into this on feet. Let me know what you guys think. Are you copping? Are you dropping? And yeah, let's get straight into this on feet. It's your boy DS Dan. I'm gone.